Talking.
I'm not gonna go live, buddy. I'm too hammered, buddy. I'm gonna say something so stupid. I'm definitely not going live. You can mute my ass. I'm fucking not going nowhere, buddy. I'm pouring another one right now.
We already live, buddy.
I'm already like fucking 10 shots in, buddy.
Yeah, buddy, that's the idea of it, right? How to trade while you are hammered.
You
That's
know,
the.
they say you should never trade when you're under the influence. But
You're
I'm
gonna
gonna
prove them wrong today, okay?
call that X pivot when we had that massive drop on Thursday. So fuck.
Is it like something traders becomes after a while? Start just drinking and developing a drinking habits in the markets?
Buddy, when I was in real estate, it was everybody was drinking too, buddy.
Do you think I remember when I was working in hotels, right, doing some service jobs, and I was there, and the people at the bar, they were like hammered each day. It is like the job just started 8 a.m. They start drinking.
But if it was like really bad, I mean, or really stressful, fuck, I'd be drinking. But today was just a little bit stressful because I missed out on like a 10% rally, which I could have caught. On Ethereum short, from my Ethereum short is down from top to bottom 20%, which kind of sucks because I was up like fucking a lot. I could have caught this bounce, but I didn't because I'm an idiot. But it's okay. I think it's still going to drop anyways, right? So whatever.
It probably will drop. That's the thing, right? Nothing goes up forever and nothing goes down forever. Yeah. So, gonna share my.
I don't really like, but whatever. It is what it is.
So I'm gonna share my screen with you too. What I see over here simply, in 2 days is things coming out, right? The earnings of Alibaba.
Oh, really?
This is gonna be tomorrow. China matters, right? So I was wondering. So I was in this long trade. I took a nice profit upstairs around 190, right? Remember, but I'm still bullish, right? So what I see seems to be like a W formation, right? And if we added some Fibonacci to it, would it be? So yeah, I was thinking about chicken also, right?
Chicken?
Yeah, eating some chicken.
Well, how did that get in there?
I don't know, but we need some chicken.
You guys telling me fucking chicken.
We are trading the chickens over here.
I really hope Tesla doesn't start to rip now because that's going to piss me off.
Are you in a short trade on Tesla?
Oh, yeah.
Did you check my new format, live stream format?
Yes, I did. It was really good.
It was something different, right?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
And not the quality of the video, but the format.
I saw it. It was pretty good.
Sick shit, man.
It's good, buddy. You keep doing it, buddy.
One day this is gonna be like ISO speed, right? Many people will be watching this live stream. You know, it is always a good memory to record those live streams, etc. Absolutely. No doubt. China. Did you saw the Mamdani Trump meeting?
Yeah, it was pretty funny, actually.
Yeah.
Pretty fucking funny.
Those are hilarious people, man.
Mr. Mamdani, do you think Trump is a fascist?
Oh, yes.
Don't need to say it. We already know you can say yes.
Yeah, this was great. This is like, I think wasn't a bad interview at all. What supposedly happened?
They said that they got along. Trump was was like, oh, we have a lot more in common than I thought we did, and he's like, we're going to support him and this and that.
Sounds very interesting, right?
Yeah, I mean, fuck, it's politics, right?
One day you hate me, one day you love me, right? Love and hate relationship.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right. We're gonna make it all back. Gonna make it all back. But
Yeah,
where
if
is it going? What if we did like a live stream and we just tried to talk like Trump?
you are already on live stream, buddy. Yeah.
Go up to the 618 and then reject. That's gonna be the biggest rejection you've ever seen.
You biggest rejection. La 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 la. I love Borat, right? Sacha Baron Cohen. He's a very funny guy too.
He's a fucking Jew. The biggest Jew out of them all. He's a fucking Jew. Oh fuck! Where the fuck is Ethereum going right now? It looks like she wants to fucking skip me.
So I love everyone, every nationality, and he's a pretty good comedian.
He is fucking. He's so.
He's so fucking hilarious, man.
Fuck yeah.
Nice, nice. So what do we have over here?
Wait, are you actually live streaming?
Yeah. This dude. Yeah, no worries, buddy. Anyways, nobody's watching my channel. That's alright. You know what's the title is?
What is
it? Burping.
Fucking S&P just going straight up today. This is such a scam.
Yeah, but this is extreme fear, right? After extreme fear, extreme pumps comes.
What the fuck? They fucking pumped it like almost. Nasdaq's almost 3% today. Look at this. 2.5%.
Yeah. Damn boy, look at this trade, right? I was looking at this trade and missed it. This guy missed it.
Fuck, I knew I should have taken the long on Friday, but I was like, oh, fuck, let me just stay in the short.
Fuck. So this was the trade idea, and stop loss just was missed by milli. Just few ticks.
Yeah, it was a good one. I literally was thinking about it too. I was like, oh, fuck, maybe I should take a long with the fear of being so low. But then I was like, oh, fuck, what if it dies on the weekend? I should have just hedged it with a long. That would have been the right thing to do.
Yeah, we're thinking about that too, but I didn't want to hedge myself, right? So I'm looking for compounding my shorts.
Yeah, I mean, I did compound my short today either way, so it's fine. But fucking Ethereum is. I actually took profits on Ethereum and compounded Tesla, but Tesla right now is kind of going up against me, but it's okay. She's at resistance. I'm curious where Ethereum's going to go, you know? She's got a big titty candle.
Ethereum?
Yeah.
What's a big titty candle? Never heard. Big volume? Oh, I don't think so. I think this is a huge resistance around 3K. I don't think it's gonna go far away. If it goes to 3K, I'm gonna compound my short. That was it for me. I'm aiming for Ethereum to go back to 1,000 and 1,500.
I was thinking the same thing, actually, to be honest with you.
But we see a huge potential pump over here, right? A lot of people bought just Ethereum, right? It could also just rip from here and surprise every motherfucker, right?
I hope not.
But
Bitcoin is ripping right now, which is kind of annoying. Bitcoin's definitely ripping right now.
Definitely ripping, right? I think it could. This is very sus, right? could go up to 3,700, right? It's fucking crazy. So right now we are at the bottom. So we had some buys going on, touched it, bounced. What did you see your friend gonna be buying? 2,500.
Severance at 2,500.
So yeah, I would like chicken shawarma. I would like chicken shawarma. So yeah, in 1 hour we'll be going doing some training.
Why the fuck is Tesla ripping? Like literally didn't even test the gap. It's just so stupid. Fucking
Oh
up
no.
8%. What a fucking stupid piece of shit.
Oh hello.
Fucking
So let's
so
see, Tesla. So anyways, let me see.
I want this whole fucking thing to drop tomorrow so bad. This fucking piece of shit. This Bitcoin just looks like if we're gonna get above here, she might squeeze up to like 91, 92, which is a fucking piece of shit. It's, I mean, 3%, but it's still a piece of shit.
If you say so, must be true.
We rallied since last week, Friday. We rallied 10%. Like, what the fuck? 10% from 80K to 88, almost 89. It's a fucking scam. It's a
So
fucking
we had
scam.
Dell. So earnings of Dell coming out, which is pretty also good, right? If you
Fuck
look,
Dell,
why?
because I said so.
Okay, that sounds great. So if we had something
Fuck
like
your
this,
fucking zero DTE. Fuck your fucking options. Fuck your fucking this. Fucking calls and.
Arthur just feels great. So where are we right now? In the middle of the channel, to be honest with you.
I'm fucking starving. I'm gonna make some food. Oh,
No?
hey,
Okay, we got rejected right from the upstairs. And if we went to go back, we took the liquidity on the left side, came back, and we are right now in the middle of the channel. What's happened if we add volume weighted average price to here exactly? So SC potential trade over here, something like this, right? Targeting upstairs. Let's add SC. In the parallel channel, there is another parallel channel which is going from here
volume weighted average cock.
to here, right? Exactly. Which is supporting our confluence. And let's add some Fibonacci. Could go upstairs here. And if we added some Fibonacci from here, okay, 0.5. We have a 0.5 Fibonacci, 0.5 pip. What else do we have? Can we add confluence? And we are totally in confirmation bias. And tomorrow is coming the earnings, right? Estimated to be growing. And let's see what's happening, right? So what else do we have? Let me just remove this to here. Trading view. So we have technically in good place. Only thing I want to add is in this range of volume profile, exactly in this range, right? Okay, we have over here okay, makes more sense. Loss, so we have, where is the sign? A POC, point of control, right? So if we went upstairs, it's gonna be 1 to 5 ratio, right? But additionally, let me see on a technical level, right? So we have a book value of 39, which is overvalued currently, and price to earning ratios. What else do we have? Have moving average. We are right now at exactly the 200 moving average. So another confluence was the 200 moving average, and price to cash flow ratio at 10, and price to sell is below 1. So it's consolidating since here. Good to see that. So what else do we have? Let's check a couple of other information. They'll overview. So let me read what's information we have on Dell. Dell Technology Inc. is a technology company providing customers with a broad and innovative solution portfolio to help customers modernize their information technology IT infrastructure, addresses workforce transformation, and offer critical solutions that keep people and organization connected. It operates through the following segments: Infrastructure Solution Group, ISG, and Client Solution Group, CSG, and the ISG segment includes several networking and storage, as well as services and third-party softwares and peripheral, etc. So it is basically a technology company. Everyone's Dell laptops know them. So what's the current market cap? Is around 85 billion. Net income is approximately 4.6 billion, which is not bad. And let's see the current debt, right? So the debt of Dell is decreasing since 2020, which is a good sign, right? The free cash flow equivalent, which is not that great. Currently the debt Dell has is 25 billion, previously was 40 billion, right? And also when we watch the free cash flow, right, it's decreasing over time. And cash equivalent assets, right, is also decreasing over time, which is could be a little bit concerning, right? So currently on an annual basis, I'm looking for a growth overall in Dell strategy, right? And revenue. But seasonals, let's check out a couple of seasonals over here. Let me plug this in. Seasonality. What do we see on seasonality over here? Let's calculate the average. So in December, it seems to be a sideways moves overall. Let's plug 2018 also. From September to December is a growth, and from there, kind of sideways moves. And in January, February, sideways, and in March, again, growing slowly, right? Up to August. Oh, so I would assume technically it did
What the
not
fuck
take
is Tesla doing?
it did not take the liquidity over here.
What the,
What else do we got over here? Ideas, documents. Okay, never saw this tab. Earning release, quarter, slides. What's these slides? Wow, that's pretty good. There's a couple of key information over here. Never saw this free cash flow, right? What else do we have? Slides, transcript. It's pretty good. Press release. I like this section. So let's check out a couple of news around that area. And I choose only the important ones. Perhaps not. Oh. I personally believe, okay, we could go up to 140, $10, right? From to here. Partial take profit. Yeah, and this is gonna be great if you've done this. Nice, buddy.
thank you. Oh fuck.
So, Arthur, are you making chicken?
Some beef actually.
Some beef. He's making some beef. That sounds great. Beef is great. Beef is good. Would I take that trade over here to here? Perhaps. Good, I will probably add Dell to my buying list. And we will compare my buying list, of course, right?
Oh. Darn. Give me some beef with rice. It'd be delicious.
Delicious, malicious, right?
Fire.
Yeah, so what else? Volatility index is decreasing. Blah blah over here, Dell over here, and what else do we need? BTC USDT. Yeah, exactly as we have talked about ABC correction to the upside, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
It's gonna go that high just yet, but we will see. I think we're gonna take out 80,000 psychological first take out 80,000 into the 76,500-ish bounce, and then take out 70,000. I don't know if I want it to bounce just yet because that will suck. I hope it doesn't bounce. I hope we get rejected here.
Hmm.
Oh shit.
So if we bounced there, yeah, I think it will be going higher, right? If we watch this over here and removed this one and made the chart bigger, so we can see clearly is this breaking out of this parallel channel, right? Or we are still in it? That's the question. If we extend
I
it,
find it hard to believe that we're going to bounce before we take out 80,000 psychological. I think we need to take out 80,000 psychological first. And the fact that we front run it and now we're getting a 10% bounce makes me think we're going to go even lower.
so my hope is to see the view up is just going down and touching it, right? That's the hope I want to have. Having the view up over there and getting touched done so I can compound my shorts, right? Is it right now a good area to trade longs? No. So I would be looking in a couple of scenarios over here, right? Let me make this red. Make it red, and I would hope to see something like this downside, right? And to the down. Or ABC correction. For that reason, dude, man, what's going on?
Getting this rice going, buddy. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry right now.
You hungry?
I'm starving, dude. I'm so hammered and I'm so hungry. It's the worst.
How much money did you make while you were hammered?
How much money did more like how much did I lose? I would say within like about $1,000, but it's okay. I'll wait till tomorrow. I might get it all back.
Oh yeah. So you're saying you lost today 1,000, 1K.
I didn't lose it. My short positions are not in the profit that they were on Friday.
Oh no.
I didn't really lose money. I gotta deal with this bounce right now, and my psychology is starting to maybe improve a little bit because I'm hammered, and I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh, we're rejecting from view up. Looks pretty good.
So you are pretty right now in the illusion, right? I would say.
Maybe. I mean, I took profits on Friday, so I wouldn't say that I'm necessarily.
So what's would happen? Okay, let's map it over here very, very clearly. In which position are you right now in shorts? Tesla?
Tesla, my short position is from 429. And Nvidia, my short position is from 194.
So on Tesla, I see clearly, right? So right now is still some hope for rejection.
Yeah, I think so too.
Right over here exactly to go down. But I think, okay, what I see could be also right. We have take the profits over here, my target, the front run, my ultimate target over here. So what I would wish for, so yeah, to go down lower. So on the monthly level we are seeing higher highs on the 3 days. Right, I see where you enter that short. So yeah, I would assume to go lower, right, to the around 1360
I'm
on the
thinking for
bit.
now at least 340, 330, 340. That's my take profit two. And then take profit three will be around 240, 250 if we can get there.
Wait, that's
That's
crazy now.
the fuck.
I think you still got the chance over there, right?
Mhm. Nvidia, I'm not really stressing that much. I'm just looking at Tesla because I know these market makers want to try to squeeze everybody, and now they're gonna, everybody's gonna buy Tesla today, and then they're gonna drop it tomorrow. These market
It
makers.
could be. What's today? So today is Monday. What for this week? Which news is coming out? PMI, PPI, sorry, PPI,
Yeah,
PPI
tomorrow.
until tomorrow.
Oh shit! So the market's gonna dump tomorrow.
So yeah, the only thing is coming out PPI and building pyramids, which is okay to know, but PPI I think is more important one.
Yeah, for sure.
And globally, atom inflation rate, Germany, etc. Okay, nothing special over here. So the trades I'm looking for, okay, Dell is a pretty good trade, seems to be, but seasonality it doesn't support it. So I could see it go up to 110 and fake everyone, and it's just a fake bounce. Or
Not a bad
if
thing. Setup actually. It's kind of a nice setup actually.
yeah,
Very nice. Not bad.
it's aligning with a couple of technicals and fundamentals, right? So JD is still far away from my target. I'm gonna pull it something here. Okay, if I today choose to trade any one of them, which one gonna be? Oh,
Which one is it gonna be, buddy?
look at this. This was just perfect. Went down, up, going to 700. Just straight forward. This is not a good trade for me. This one seems to be good. Hive is also not good trade.
No. Everything looks like it's gonna drop soon. I think today was a good day to short the market, to be honest.
Be honest with you, it is not a great idea to short the market. The market has already took a lot of long position liquidation, right?
Nasdaq's 2.5% in a single day.
Yeah, but this has been dropping over 5%, right?
That's okay. It's a correction, right? So it's gonna be volatility. But
So
we're already above the 618. Look, if we can give this 618 back, what's it gonna look like on the daily? It's gonna look fucking really ugly if we drop this 618. It's gonna look very ugly. Fair value gap. Look at this. We're coming right into this fair value gap. Whatever the fuck they call it.
we'll add Baba to here. And also I'm watching all of them not that good trades. What else I'm seeing over here? So Dell, CleanSpark, Spark. You are a clean Spark guy.
Used to be, not anymore.
Why? What's happened?
This is a fucking scam, buddy.
It's a scam?
Crypto is a scam.
Whoa, that's true.
Crypto's a fucking scam, buddy.
They scammed you out of your money.
I didn't really trade CleanSpark, to be honest. I used to trade CleanSpark maybe like 2 years ago. 2 years ago. These motherfuckers.
So I see a couple of momentum trend over here, right? It's a momentum trend. The only thing could go to 0. Nothing blocking it to not to go to 0. Yeah, it would probably go to 0. I think it will go to 0. We are over here. We see it pump it. Pretty high volatility, right?
Yeah, look at NVIDIA right now. NVIDIA will give you a big signal. NVIDIA looks pretty ugly, right?
So I feel like a risky trade. I think trading it here is pretty good. To the $15, 50% ROI. Yeah.
On the CleanSpark?
Yeah.
It's ballsy, buddy. You got the cojones, eh?
So if you look at this, so basically we didn't take it fully right. So it was something like this. We just went back to the original level. So we didn't fully take it. And if we add, I think the VWAP also should also align somewhere there, right? Slightly below the VWAP. And
Buddy, you know what the Jamaicans say?
what did Jamaicans say?
They say, suck your mother.
Bomboklat. How the fuck should I suck my mother?
Suck your mother. Oh, fuck, I'm so hungry.
So what do we have over here, right? Let's see. Will it go this high? I don't think so, but probably this high. 215. This is still like 50 ROI, right? Going to here, 43 ROI. So, what did you say? It's Black Friday this week. If I am drinking this week? No, usually I drink coffee, I drink water, yes. I drink tea, I love tea. I drink on the weekends coffee. Today I drink a coffee. Usually I don't break my rule, but today I break my rule and drink some coffee. Yeah, I have realized the stimuli of coffee is rotting your brains when it's coming to trading. Your decision quality reduces by a lot. You become emotional and not rational anymore. You don't see it clearly anymore. Yeah, so be careful of coffee. Even your sleep is getting affected by a lot when you drink coffee, right? Yeah, some people have better stomach for coffee, right? And some people doesn't. But I think above 50% of people, coffee for them is a stimuli, right? Giving them some push in their life, in the day, energy. Yeah, there is better ways to get energy, such as eating healthy, doing sport, getting the vitamins your body needs, right? Always the cause, getting enough sleep. Yeah, coffee is great. I was used to it also. So I have realized nicotine and coffee are not those best friend of mine, and cigarette.
Not actually smoke-free.
Congrats, man. And did you see any effect on your trading decision?
I started drinking a little bit more, to be honest.
So, so you are saying you quitted?
So my trading decision's been pretty good. I mean, I shorted the top on Thursday, so I couldn't say it's pretty not bad.
But you have a decision. You have quitted smoking and started drinking.
Yes, exactly. I thought I need to pick up something more healthy.
Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
You know?
It.
So far, it's working out.
So far, it's working out.
So far. I had some really big chest cramps in the morning, so that's why I started drinking a little bit. Now they're gone, so I feel like the alcohol is helping.
How much do you drink per day?
Usually like a whole bottle of vodka.
Oh, a whole bottle, like absolute vodka, whole bottle, like half a liter.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, that's pretty some hard shit, buddy.
That's what happens when you're Russian, buddy. Here, cheers.
Cheers. Okay, that's normal if you are Russian.
Yeah,
Damn,
like
man.
the average Russian person. Well, yeah.
Billet. The clean sparkles also look nice. And Zoom. What do you think about Zoom?
Zoom?
Yeah.
I have never looked at Zoom. You know what I was actually interested in? I wanted to look at Bull, Webull.
Weeble? What's Weeble? Wow, look at Zoom. Wow.
Yeah.
To 600 back to less than half since 2022. It's just like God hammered. God just hammered.
Check out Webull.
Wow, I like this one. Wait a minute. Oh, this one looks great. I think I see the potential. I see the potential.
Joseph James pattern.
Could be. Ooh. Okay, this is more like my W pattern, right? W wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, correction, W, and should be like wave 1, 2, 3. Something like this. Okay.
Nasdaq getting some rejection here. Bitcoin somehow still going higher.
Really? No way, man. Some crazy shit. Hey, anyone? Remort.
Bitcoin, everyone.
So let me go back to Zoom. Zoom is just seems to be accumulating, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about those stocks, right? I see it always do a couple of moves, right? It
Look at the
goes,
volume. Check the
yeah,
volume again.
it's doing always the same move. Wait a minute, I want to show you. Where is the pencil gone? Here. It goes up, down, up, down.
Mm-hmm.
Which I have realized those stocks always do the same. So on the volume level,
Maybe Zoom will get delisted.
over here, ton of volume. On the weekly level, volume decrease, 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 volume increase, volume decrease, volume increase, increase. So volume has increased, right?
Oh, I think Shipley's alive.
No way. Volume.
Oh, fuck.
What did you eat, buddy?
So I got roasted vegetables with rice and beef.
So you got roasted vegetable with beef.
Mm.
No way. You got roasted vegetable with beef?
So good, buddy. I'm fucking loving it.
Okay, I like what I see. It's gonna be a quick invalidation.
Mm. Mm.
Still,
Mm.
you're getting some orgasm over there, eh? So Zoom is still also looking good. All the earnings of Zoom still very positive, right? Green, 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 green. As was always beating the earnings. So I wouldn't say why shouldn't it go higher, right? We put this one here. Is it a momentum trend, right? And are we seeing a W formation over here? This. So I think this is what I see on Zoom, right? But let me check a couple of other indicators.
Very interesting.
So the book values has been increasing. Price to cash flow, price to earning is pretty good, I would say. It's not that bad. Price to revenue ratios is at 5, could be higher. So right now we are at exactly right. Again, we are at both the moving averages is crossing. So we are exactly at the moving average level, right?
Mm-hmm.
We went upstairs above it, then below it. We changed the momentum 1, 2. Over here we are again above it. So if we could, we would like to do something like this.
Where's the anchored VWAP from the low?
You eating some chips?
Yeah.
So you're saying anchored VWAP from here, right? Exactly there too, right?
What a surprise.
That's some good trade, right?
Mm-hmm.
We had what's happened when we take the earnings, the anchored VWAP from upstairs? Yeah, exactly. Thought so too. What's happened if we took the Fibonacci from here? Or here? What's happened if we took
Wow. That was so good. It's so nutritious too. Oh, that was perfect. Oh man. Delicious and nutritious.
delicious and nutritious?
Very nice.
Oh, me doing this one over here. Doing this one over here. Oh, doing this one over here.
Very nice.
Yeah. It's very nice, right?
Very nice. Look at Tesla. Very nice. Starting to finally drop. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see what Nvidia. Very nice. Let's go Bitcoin. Very nice.
So very nice, very nice, very nice. I like this trade. I think I love it. I just want to confirm it. Right, let's check also a couple of what does TradingView say about it, right? So what do we see over here? We have a beta below the market, a market capitalization of 23 billion, net income 1 billion. Even the debt ratio, I like this company. Look, the debt's almost none. But they have more free cash flows and equivalent to the cash. Okay, that's pretty good. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like this trade. Nice, buddy.
Tell me if you like this one.
That's pretty gross, but this was a straightforward 3-second burping, man. 30-second burping.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, all the vodka coming out.
That's pretty impressive, eh?
Okay, what do we have also on seasonality? 2020, right? This was just a clear action over here. Okay, it's increasing, right? Before.
Fuck. Oh my god, what the hell's going on? Fuck.
Stop this shit, buddy.
Oh, like, fuck, it's just coming out. Oh,
Damn.
oh fuck. Yet. Fuck.
So, after drinking and trading.
Oh my god, what the hell?
And losing money.
Oh, fuck.
So,
Look at Tesla giving me all my money back now. Let's go.
give him his money back, people. Give me his money back.
Thank you very much, Tesla. Come on, baby. Give back everything from today. She's going to drop tomorrow. It's going to be a nice.
So, I think I will add Zoom also to my trade. Now, let's make. So, what do we have over here? We have 3 trades. And in 10 minutes, I need to go. So the decision gonna be, I think, falling back to Zoom. So zoom, 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 zoom.
Zoom, 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 zoom.
Financials. Which is pretty good right now.
What?
Zoom valuation, the PE ratio 20, the forward PE ratio 13. PEG, I like this trade. I think I will take it definitely. I will take this trade today. The earnings was always beating, right? We are at good technical levels. We have moving average. So what we have over here, okay? Value area high, plus VWAP plus start of W formation plus else do we have? Okay, momentum trend. What else do we have? Good valuation, beating earnings. What else do we have? What's happened, buddy?
Nothing, buddy. Look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin's getting there.
So, wait a second. Let me finalize this trade idea. So, beating earnings we have, and we said the 50 and the 200 moving average confluence plus low depth. I think it's just like a great trade idea.
Honestly, you might be onto something.
So in comparison to PEG, I think even Warren Buffett would buy this trade at 5. What else do we have? So Zoom at 11 return on asset, return on equity 13, and also yeah, it's pretty not bad at all. I think I like it. I like it. Technical. So the only thing is going in my mind, the insiders also, right? Who is on it? Wow, everything else, yeah. Adobe. I think Adobe I will analyze also a competitor, Adobe, right? Team. Those are good trades. Team, Adobe, Ring.
I think markets closed on Thursday or Friday this week, eh? Did you know?
Markets are closed on Friday.
I think that they are because it's a holiday this week, so it's a short week.
Yeah, could be.
Getting that perfect rejection right where I expected it.
Nice.
Motherfucker.
Drinking and trading and burping.
Oh, fuck, it's been a good day today so far. Even though it's not been the best day, it's been a pretty good day, you know? This day went by really quickly, I'm not gonna lie.
Do you remember even?
That?
Do you remember your day?
Do I remember my day? Of course,
Yeah.
buddy. I'm not that hard.
There, buddy, you got some stamina. If I drank like even 1/5 of what you drank today, right? I think it will be another level.
I drank maybe like 15 shots today.
Whoa, that's pretty a lot. If I drank 15 shots, I will be on the ground.
You think so?
Yeah. No shit, man. I have so low resistance against alcohol nowadays. I just don't drink this much anymore.
Yeah, I don't like really drink.
I think I'm gonna take this. I love it. This is the best trade. I think I like it. So right now, let's figure out where we can place our stop loss and take profit more accurately. Okay, To the upside, what do we have? So we have still over here, right? It could go lower. Fair value gaps. So we have still fair value gap over here. FAG. Should we compound? Would probably would compound. But not there. I will be compounding here. Oh my god, I like this too. Giving us a signal. Oh my god. Giving us a signal. We have some resistance there. We are pushing higher. We take the liquidity on the left side. It's pushing higher. So, how much lower can it drop? It could drop up to 60, right? So, before another pump. And probably channel protection over here. Exactly to be here, right? So I like this hedge position idea. I like the trade idea. Now let's take profits ideas. So, wanna take this trade with me, buddy?
If I had some free cash flow, maybe I would. But right now, kind of tied up.
Damn.
Right now, I've got all my money in shorts, buddy.
I just bought $100,000 worth of EBS, a company for
Why you buy so many shorts? Buy some t-shirt also.
Yeah, hopefully, I don't need to buy new underpants.
You know, I think somebody just stole my underpants. It just disappeared. So some guys just stole my underpants, man. That's not cool.
As long as I don't have to buy new fucking underpants, that's fine.
If you say so.
Ah, fuck. Oh shit.
Who let you out, man?
Right. Look at this triangle that's forming on Tesla.
So, what's your main concern right now in the market, buddy? What's your concern with where you see the direction it's going?
I would like it to drop personally.
Okay, liking it and believe where it's going is two things, right?
Yeah. I personally think that it's going to drop personally. But if it
The S&P 500 will drop.
yes. I think we're going to get to see a waterfall this week personally.
No way.
Yeah, buddy, you better believe it. WX, because I think that this is going to be a bigger correction. We're also coming into a major Fibonacci time, supposedly on Bitcoin this week. So that is
Supposedly, right?
yeah. I don't know where exactly that is. I just saw Daniel post about it, so I'm not really exactly sure how he got there. Oh, I think he just went from 1 to 1.
Do you know anyone who is like good in macroeconomy?
No.
I never saw someone is pretty good in macroeconomy, right? Who is like always publishing the data, not only once, but also this.
I actually know one guy that I follow. His name is Joe here. I'll tell you, he's really, really good. Actually, sorry, I lied.
What's his name?
One sec, I think I can find him right here. Tavi Costa.
Yeah, I know Tavi, right? Tavi Costa is good when it's coming, but he's still right. He's just his focus is on commodity, right? On gold and silver and copper, right? But he's not that macro economy guy, right? He's focused on commodity.
Yeah. Well, commodities are quite important to the economic cycle.
Yeah, pretty sure, but I want a guy who's like analyzing the whole political situation, culture, or whatever, right? Seeing those macro trends. Where is the China versus US is going, right? Who is winning this battle? And stuff like this, right?
Right.
I think I don't know, I have a pretty good feeling about this Zoom trade. It's just like green, green, green. It's just seeing green flags.
You might be onto something about it.
This is nothing bad. Always beating the earnings. It's seen a lot of reduction. The only thing I'm asking myself, statistics of users of Zoom. Active. Historically. Zoom client with more than 10 employees. This is increasing, okay? Till 2021. Okay. Zoom app downloads decreasing in 2024. In 2020 was incredibly increasing in the coronavirus time. Zoom webinar minutes is increasing. 2025 Zoom revenue is, you see the revenue? What a crazy. So we will take this image and also add it here. Oh no. So what else do we have? Zoom post-pandemic growth. Okay, so even after post-pandemic growth, it has showcasing a couple of good. You see that? That's pretty good signs, buddy. WebEx, Cisco, most popular video conferencing app, Zoom. Okay, that was in 2019, which is less relevant. Yeah, you see, guys, when I make a post for you, how much time it takes me to do those quality trades ideas. So, let's see. Analysis. So even seasonalities aligns with it, right? So to certain degrees, what to say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, I just don't understand why Tesla's like up 7% on the day. Just kind of.
Tesla were never logical, buddy. And never traded logical.
I know.
You are asking the wrong questions.
Piece of shit.
Do you see a better question?
Not yet.
So, what I see over here, new.
I just bought $600,000 of TQQQ, which is a leveraged ETF that tracks 3 times the returns of QQQ. And I've got 4 main reasons why I believe the market will rally.
So let's see.
Likely cutting rates in December despite strong jobs data. Just this morning, the New York Fed extremely bullish. Third, corporate tech earnings absolutely crushed in Q3, disproving the claim that AI is a bubble. Finally, the fear and greed index is that extreme fear, which usually indicates a market bottom. Like Warren Buffett said, be greedy when others are fearful. I just placed a $50,000 bet that the Fed will cut interest rates by 25 basis points in September, and here's why. It's the last day of August, so I'm going to reflect on my monthly portfolio performance. This month, we're up $27,000, or approximately 2.8%. My contributions are still unchanged.
Is anyone you following on YouTube? Is good. Did you give me the name of that guy, of macro guy?
No, I told you I didn't know another macro. I just know Tavi Costa.
Yeah. So if a stock shows you everything green flags, right, what do you do? Right? Is it makes you more concerned?
No, not really. It starts to show everything green flags. Not really. I wouldn't be concerned.
You wouldn't be concerned, right? It's just like, hey, it doesn't make sense. What I'm missing you, right? It's like, this is what.
But if it starts giving me green flags, I would take the trade and I wouldn't hesitate. I would just manage my stop. What the fuck is this Tesla doing, this piece of shit? What's NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ literally just melting up all day. Look at this. Not a single real pullback today, just straight up. So sus.
Oh, yeah.
That is so sus.
You talk this. Where you talk like this. So let's add this here. So, oh no, we need. So what do we have here? 2000 November. T is a Zoom is exiting a 2-year base or riding a rising channel, and the mix of shifts from meetings to a broad AI enabled UCAAC CCAAS stack. If growth stabilizes and margins holds, a multiple re-rate from 13 forward rate earning per share is plausible into the 2026. So entry zone is going to be around 76 to 81, value area POSC 79, stop loss around 68.5 below the channel base, previous swing lows, and take profit 101, 118, 124. Max target 160, upper channel 200 WMA Confluence weekly pass, right? So we are looking over here for 7x, which is not relevant. This is not relevant.
Bear flag?
What?
Would you consider this a bear flag?
Seems so.
Kind of, right?
Yeah, it seems the volume is decreasing, right? The volume decreasing, anchored view up, and making a double top, right?
Exactly.
So narrative and context structure weekly rising channel in since 2023 with completed W formation. Price keeps reclaiming the POSC 79 with a positive reaction near the value area lows. Volume profile shows a clean pocket of 19.7.
Blue suede shoes stay crispy like bacon. Nikes on my feet, get my cipher complete.
So reclaiming the POC. Very early high. Quality of sponsors by 77%. Institutional ownership with over 1,000 holders consistent. So we have enough holders over here. Earning per share speeds on the most recent quarter's revenue holding near 1.2 to 1.2 billion per quarter. Product shift mix Zoom phone plus contact center, right? Plus AI company reduce dependency on commoditized meeting and increases the seat durability. Seasonality flows 2025's year-to-date underperformance versus 2023-24. Meaning reversion tailwinds into December, January. This typically for a profitable software after weak year-to-date point. So currently valuation and metrics, we have the forward PE ratio 13.3x for large cap software, 24 to 28x, which is showcasing us market price zooms like a no gross asset. And if the CC customer center software over here sustain mid single digit top line and stable margins, the discount can narrow and this re-rate upside. Price to free cash flow, we have 12.x versus its peers at 20s. A cheaper cash generation supports buybacks and tuckings during the pivot. Quality, the return on equity is a 13% return on investment. Return on invested capital, right? The ROC. Where was it? Return on invested capital is 13 and quick ratio of 4.4. Solid balance sheets and self-funded transitions and gross earning per share past 5 years plus 100%, 20% per year. The sales past 5 years, 50% post-pandemic diesels, but still compounding. Stability matters more than acceleration for real rate. So risk debt to equity is zero, low leverage limits, downside in macro shocks. So what we also can see another angle is consensus, right? Steer frame zooms as stagnant meetings play. The tab shows accumulation within an ascending channel and improving max economy. A shift from 13x to 20x forward PE ratio and steady earning per share supports 120 and 260 over the next 12 to 18 months, right? We well above many cautious target. So risk earning gaps, risk guide sensitivity event tonight could pierce the stops before trend resumes. Competitive bundling from Microsoft and Google pressuring seats growth and pricing execution risk canceling the customer center AI while protecting margin security. And also the Nasdaq 10 years yield zoom correlated with duration sensitive software. Lower yields aid to re-rate. Rising dollar index yields would cap multiples. IT spending cadence, enterprise budget resets the first quarter, and procurement softness could stall the seats odds. Volatility hedging, elevated force around earnings, consider stacked interest or colors call spreads if taking exposure into the print. Bottom line zooms screens inexpensive and forward and free cash flows multiples with a strong balance sheet and a credible path to a mixed stabilizations. The weekly structure offers a defined risk long from value aiming forward re-rating or towards 120 to 160 as call centers and AI executions compounds. Forward pass if this post gains traction. I will follow up with first weekly quarterly remaps of the channel and volume shelves. And second, updates on breakouts invalidation around 97, 101, 118, and 120, and commentary on post earnings guides and margin cadence. Like and follow the structure, ideas, not single post conviction setups here before broad narrative play out. And very important disclaimer over here, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research. Charts and visualization may include enhancement made by artificial intelligence. Sounds good? So what do we have here, Arthur? So we said it's gonna be a good trade, and each time, well, it pumped on earnings, right? 11%, 11%, 11, it's 5%, 8%.
What are you thinking?
So I'm thinking what's happened when each time earnings comes out, right?
You're thinking about this trade a lot, eh? I think you should just take the trade, buddy. Buddy, you're a champion, buddy. You're a fucking champion.
The reason I'm champion is I'm not just jumping into trades, right? Also, quality of good trader, right? So I think is still pretty good. So tomorrow is coming the earnings, and I see potential, right? When we calculate this over here, right? Such a thing, an 18% pump overnight, right? Which is ridiculously high. Okay, let me see. It's not overnight. Yeah, it's pretty overnight, right? So it was an overnight pump. So trading it today, it would be a good idea, right? And we will see tomorrow what's going on with, which is pretty good, right? The only consideration I have and concern is they cannot keep it with Microsoft and Google artificial intelligence when it's coming to meetings and accessibility, right? So Google has pretty strong. I use Google, right? I don't use Zoom this much. I know how powerful Google is and making its own ecosystem, and they have plugged everything together, right? Which in comparison, Zoom is only for meetings. So yeah, that's the only consideration, artificial intelligence and people who are looking for ecosystem, right? Which makes their life easier. You can plug your business, your calendar, your Gmail, etc., right? Everything in one place. So we'll take this trade right now. And as I said...
Ugh. Why is the sun not out anymore? It's so cloudy.
Nigga. So what do you think about Zoom itself? Do you have any opinion, Arthur?
Well, my only opinion on Zoom is that it blew up because everybody was stuck at home. And I think that that's why you got that massive rally in the past. So I don't know how relevant it is today. I'm sure people still use it and companies still use it.
So you don't think, okay, my thought is, okay, that is true. But if you have already plugged in a software into your company, right, majority of people or companies stay with it, right, because they have already figured out the whole infrastructure of it.
That's why I'm saying it's like I'm sure people still use it, but I don't think it's going to be as big as it was when everybody was stuck at home and you couldn't go anywhere. You know what I mean? But that doesn't make it a bad trade, right? It's important to understand that. It could still be a great trade.
So I think Dell is gonna be my next trade. The only thing I want to watch also over here, right? Okay, let's see. Money still not in the markets yet, which is makes me concerned. So by trading view. So why my money is not in my account?
Scammers.
So I have already wired it, right? So it was wired 6 days ago. This was weekend, 2 days, and today is Monday. So I don't like this. Can I eliminate anything? But you think about Mata, right? Are they gonna push it, or do you think he's dead? I think he's dead.
I don't think it's dead. I think they will push it. It's just going to be a matter of time because when you have this much volume being traded recently, somebody's interested here. Somebody is interested. I don't know who it is, but somebody is interested.
If you say so. That's being said, let me check on YouTube if anyone was commenting or sharing. Oh yeah, I did commenting or didn't enable. It was enabled. Yeah, great. So that's being said and done. We learned today a lot of stuff. Live trading, live session. Alibaba and Alimama.
Your mama.
Yeah, you scared the shit out of me.
Mama.
Bomboklate.
Mama.
You have any question for me, buddy?
No, not really, buddy. I got
Not
no
right.
questions.
Okay, sounds great. I will be heading out. Is 9:30 p.m. and my side's gonna be eating something small. And enjoy your day, buddy. And see you next time with a next live stream on with better trades and analysis.
See you later, buddy. I'll do the same thing. I'll talk to you later.
Talk to you later, buddy. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. Yalla.